Hey Queens, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my mini twist. Let's get into the video. So today we're using the Miles Mango and Toasty collection today. This is my first time using this collection, so I'll give you guys a review as the video goes. I'm going to start by using the whipping cream. I'm going to unbraid my braids and work in the whipping cream as I go. I just washed my hair and I detangled it in the shower as well. The Mango and Toasty collection definitely smelled like that Trident gum in the orange package. I'm not even sure if that's still in stores, but it smelled really good. I apply my whipping cream in sections just to make sure that every part of my hair is getting moisturized. And make sure you get those ends. After the whipping cream, I like to brush it in. My hair's already combed out, but just that extra brush, make sure that my hair stays detangled. Now I'm going in with my styling gel. It smells good, just like the whipping cream. Before adding the gel, I like to part my hair and start twisting, and I'll use the gel as I twist. I'm going for a middle part and a side part, so just making sure that my middle part is straight. I will say I take the most time when I'm parting my hair in the front, but in the back, I do not make sure that it's straight. My method for parting is to take halves of everything. So I did the half of my front of my hair, so now I'm just doing half of the half. And I'm going to create 4 twists in this section. Now this is when I start using the gel. I'm going to work the gel in while I twist. Now this is a basic 2-strand twist, so I'm just putting one part of the twist over the other. I'm done with this small section, and I pretty much do this in the other sections all over my head. Here's my hair completely twisted in the front of my head. Now onto the back. Twisting my hair usually takes me about 30 minutes. A little more if I'm trying to make sure that the parts are very straight. So now 3/4 of my hair is done. Just need to finish this last section. Last but not least, I'm going to put me some edges. I use my edge booster. Sadly, y'all, I have not mastered edges yet, so I really just do a little 1-2, and I do very basic edges, but I'm going to get better over time, y'all. One of my favorite parts about washing my hair and styling it is using my Hours of Curls oil. It leaves my hair and scalp moisturized, refreshed, and just feeling new again. Let's give it up for the back of the hair. So here's the finished look, period. The twist and the curls are given. Thanks, queens, for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what else y'all want to see on my channel. I really love doing these mini twists. So I'm thinking about doing a passion mini twist, but adding hair in and making it longer. So let me know what else y'all do want to see, and I'll see you next time in the next video. I'm talking crazy. Need you running my space.